Hey guys, check out this mega thrust leaf blower I have here from WOLFBOX. Here's the main unit itself. Got all the controllers right up here. So look at the front, the back there. It's nice in your hand. Nice handle grip right there. Thumb operated. It comes with 2 batteries. Got the battery charger here. The front clips on right here. See this here? So when you put it on and off, you can push on that. It also comes with a strap. If you find this thing's a little too heavy, you can hook this in. You can hook it in right here. And you can hook it in back here. And this is all adjustable right there. For installing this, you got a couple different options. So you put this on here. There's a little groove that matches up with the groove on here. So the groove is right here, and that matches up with this groove right over there. And then snaps in there. That way when you want to take it off, you just push on that, snap it back in. Now it won't come off. Now you got a couple different options for the head on this thing. You can use that. Just slide that right on there. Pop it on. Use it like that. Or you can use it with a reducer here. Same thing. Just pop that on. Put your 2 arrows. See these 2 arrows? They line up. And on the bottom here, there's a piece that will engage right there. You just take and twist. That way it locks in there. When you want to take it off, twist it, pop it off there. And before use, we're going to make sure our batteries are nice and charged up. It's the same way it goes on the leaf blower. It slides right in, snaps in there. We have our indicator down here, what each thing means. And so we're waiting for it to turn green. We want it fully green, and then we'll know that these are fully charged up. All right, if you want to see how much battery juice you have left, just push this button right here. Full battery. All right, this thing takes 2 batteries to operate, and they both go right here. Let's pop them off of here. Put one in this side. Put the other one right here on this side. Now you can operate it right here with all the controls. There's power. So you can go down or up on the power. One thing I want to mention on the settings here too, so you got power up or down. It also has turbo mode, so even after you have it higher, you just click that turbo for a little extra boost. Overall, really happy with this thing, and I'm going to use it a lot. Thanks for watching, everybody.